The Pak-Afghan-Turkhan border is still closed. Because of this, transport in pedestrian movement from both sides is stopped. The situation on both sides of the border remains tense, affecting daily life and trade. Remember, the Pak-Afghan-Turkhan border has been closed from last 6 months because of Afghan regime-based border policy.
Amid this chaotic and uncertain situation and circumstances of the Middle East, where an unjustified war by United States of America and Israel was waged against Iran, and that in its own self came with enormous consequences, more particular and more importantly, the oil crisis that has been suffered by the entire world. Pakistan has also suffered in this regard, and now even though recently Pakistani government, the current government of Pakistan, had secured enough oil for the month of March 2026 and April 2026, but still, due to the uncertain and unforeseen circumstances of this Middle Eastern conflict, the subsidies and the preservation or conservation of oil, petrol and liquefied natural gas is still the need of an hour and is quite pertinent. So, in this regard, the government of Pakistan has taken a new initiative amid these circumstances, where they are launching a mobile-based application to ensure that a subsidy shall be provided only to the middle class strata of the Pakistani society. This Middle Eastern situation and oil crisis became the foremost reason for the launching of this mobile based quota application. On the other hand, another reason that contributed towards its launching was that in past 2 weeks, OGRA has evaluated that Pakistani government absorbed in itself or gave a 69 billion Pakistani rupees a subsidy in the form of this oil and petroleum, so to prevent the oil prices to 400 marker. So Pakistani government has evaluated this, that the subsidy shall only and only be restricted to the middle class strata, or to the people who own two-wheelers, three-wheelers or four-wheelers only, who have 800cc engines. There will be a pre-installed app in this specialized mobile phone that is owned by the petrol pumps, and then there will be another open app that shall be suggested or recommended to the general consumers and users to be installed in their personal phones. That app will allow them to generate a digital voucher. That digital voucher shall be scanned or entered into that pre-installed app of the specialized mobile phones that is there with the outlets or with the petrol pump owners. Now, if a consumer or user is requesting for 20 liters of petrol, but the subsidy that is allowed to him is only 15 liters depending upon the type of vehicle he or she is driving, then he shall only be given 15 liters of petrol instead of his demand or her demand 20 liters. That's how this new subsidy in the form of this quota based mobile application shall be dispensed. This application is in its final phases or steps of launching. The only thing the government of Pakistan and various committees in this regard are contemplating is the fact that which kind of strata and up to which kind of strata shall this subsidy reach. Shall be solely restricted to the two-wheelers, which means motorcycles, to the three-wheelers, which may mean chingchis and rickshaws, or to the smaller 800cc four-wheeler cars or vehicles. What do you think about this fact, that how this application and subsidy is going to be proven out to be more feasible to the normal and middle class strata of Pakistan in this particular regard? We are eager to hear your opinions on this and your perceptions on this in the comment section below. Thank you.